So hi, I had to do another video to this never-ending Android car system, because I was able to take apart the LCD from the digitizer. Yeah, unbelievable, but I could take it off. How did I do it? What I did is actually use just a simple Japanese knife and very gently push it beneath this glass. I couldn't see where it started, where it ended, but very gently I go over all the sides one by one, and I was able to take it out. So now the question is if I will be able to find the correct digitizer on AliExpress, and I did find something that is similar. What I would like to show is that there is a marking on the digitizer cable near the chip, which is called GT911-X. And this means that the connection is 6-pin. While searching for it, I realized that this means that it is 6. The number GT911 is probably the interface, and the interface is 6-pin interface. So I will try to keep everything aside, although I have some glue on the LCD that I'm not sure that I will be able to take off without damaging the LCD, but I will do my best trying to keep it safe till the new digitizer will come, and then I will try to replace. So there will be also another video. You know, this is just from curiosity. I need to know if this is fixable, just replacing the digitizer on this panel. Maybe I'll try to remove the glue. You see there is a glue on the edges of the LCD. Probably when I push the Japanese knife, so eventually it did move some of the glue to this side of the LCD, and I don't want, of course, to put any pressure. I'm doing it very gently. Maybe I will later be able to use isopropyl alcohol. Anyway, I will need to remove all this glue before putting the new digitizers that will probably, I guess, will come with a glue, because it should be stick to the LCD somehow. Yeah, there is no other way. So maybe I will use very gently, we'll see, because I have some marking on the LCD, and I think that isopropyl will be able to remove this glue without damaging the LCD, because this stuff is very good against all this glue. Yeah, and anyway, I will have later to remove all this glue. Yeah, it looks like it did the work. So I will put everything aside and will wait. Hopefully I will not lose anything, and then we will try to fix it and to see if this is the problem. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you and bye.